snowing. That's the Canadian weather for you. Like, going outside is super expensive, and Costco was busy, was it not? Not a fan.
I usually get these when they're on sale though. Cashier.
It says effective Monday, April 1st. What did I come for? Just these things, right?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a grocery haul with you guys, and I thought, why not take you guys grocery shopping with me? So that's what we're going to do. I have a watermelon over on my table. I need to get that cut up, but I don't have anything to put it in. So I need to either stop off at the dollar store, Dollarama, or Winners and try to get a container for that. I also need to get a container for some lettuce. I want to do a little bit of meal prepping because I need to start eating healthier, okay? I've lost quite a bit of my baby weight. He's 3 years old. He's not a baby anymore, but I still have the baby weight. So I'm losing the baby weight, but I need to get like in shape and toned. So we're in spring. Summer's right around the corner. I want to get it together before summer officially gets here. So I'm on my healthy girl journey. I'll probably do like a day in the life of what I eat or what I eat in a day type of video. But for now, let's do some groceries, keeping it healthy, do a little meal prep. Let me show you what it costs to live in the city that I live in terms of like grocery shopping. I mean, we gotta eat, right? So I guess we can't be too troubled by the cost of groceries, but that's neither here or there. Let's go grocery shopping. Let's go grocery shopping, spend this money that I don't have. It is gorgeous outside. It is feeling like spring, and I am here for it.
Yesterday it was snowing.
Yesterday it was snowing. That's the Canadian weather for you. Like, yesterday was winter and today is spring. Like, stop it right now. It is even feeling like it's giving like a nice cool summer afternoon, right? Okay. All right, so we're good.
Well, that's not for her. She left. She left.
Oh my god, I'm so traumatized. Which one of these containers do I pick for the salad? I wanted to get like one that had the perfect like shape, but I guess this will do. Yeah? Yeah, this will do. And for the watermelon, yeah?
Yeah, for the watermelon, that would be good.
This will be perfect. Or should I get like a more squared one like this? This looks like it'll be big enough, right? What should I get? This one?
If
or
you're
this
going
one?
for something more big than like
This one?
that one, is there a lid for it?
Yeah, the lid is blue. I would prefer a clear
Yeah,
lid.
I don't know about that.
So this one?
I would say those ones.
Okay, so we'll get these. Even though I wanted a more square shape. Do you want to grab a container for your salad or your whatever you want to bring for school?
Oh, for my I could.
Like if you want to do like do you see this? How they have this to make the
Oh yeah, that would be
the
really
fruit
nice.
parfait.
Low key, yeah.
Yeah.
I wish it came in pink.
I know. Like
I really want a Hello Kitty ice tray.
Do they have Hello
Yeah,
Kitty
they
ice
do.
cream?
Not here, but like they do. It's like a thing.
I'm wondering if this will work for like the underneath the sink, like a storage for underneath the sink. Because underneath the sink is looking real rough right now. What did I come for? Just these things, right?
Yeah. Those are for me.
Yeah.
I
Not
have,
just for
like-
you, but like, I mean, they're more for me. What is this?
What? They're more for me.
Here, hold this. I'll grab two so you don't get all confused with yourself.
There's 2 in the pack.
I know, but like, you're gonna go hard.
I know I am. These are actually perfect for me. I promise.
I literally just can't with you. Not a fan.
Costco.
I definitely made a shopping list. I'm trying to stay on course. Why is that one on sale? I really wanted this one.
This one looks better.
Which one? Yeah, I had this one before and it broke.
Oh.
But if I get this one,
Isn't that the one we have right now?
this is the one we have.
Yeah, but it keeps breaking. So
I
get a different
know.
one.
What happened to this one? Did anything happen to this one?
No. We literally actually broke it. That's what made it sing. We broke the top, remember?
Okay, so, okay, we'll get this.
I wish I could. Need ya. So I did. Oh, Ariana, the woman you are. The woman you are.
Alright, this is it. I'm good. That's it, we're done. Okay. Do you have a card, please? Hi there.
There you go. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
So that was a good shopping day. I actually spent less than I wanted to. I was expecting the total to be crazy, but it was not.
Do I have to help this?
I think you should. That would make things a little bit easier. And just like that, grocery is complete. Now we're gonna go to Shoppers because I want to grab some lip liners, brown lip liners, so I could get the perfect combo.
I'm so excited.
Okay, this Shoppers is looks a little ghetto, but this is the one. Here.
Oh wait.
They have some stuff over here. They have things here. Okay. I'm looking for the perfect lip combo. This.
Oh, I love rainbow. Is there? Wait, which one is that? Oh,
I want a brown.
Brownie pie is beautiful, but they're never in stock.
This one is.
That's wine.
Oh, it's a red. Ooh, they have press-ons. I wonder if I should just get myself some press-ons and call it a day.
Try to help you pick the perfect shade.
Yeah, these press-ons are nice. I'm looking for some nails. Or are these ones shorter?
What is this?
Or are these ones the same? I think I might get these.
Girl, buy the I mean, like, the only good thing that comes out of the NYX lip liners is that they stay on. But
This is a nice brown. Is this a brown?
This one's brown, yeah.
This is a dark brown,
But the
or?
thing is, it looks like a, like, yeah. The thing is, like, with the NYX lip liners is that, like, they stay in, right?
Yeah.
But, like, the NYX, I would stick to the NYX one. I found it, I think you had this before, Mom. Mama, you've had this before.
That's the lip gloss you're getting? Can you grab me one? I want to get a really nice lip combo. I like that pink one. Pretty much everything that I purchase is on sale, which I'm pretty content with because who doesn't like saving $1, right? So I got 2 lip gloss.
I put her on.
She put me on. She put me on to the lip gloss. I got a mascara and some press-on nails. Something quick, fast, simple, and to the point. And then I got... I'm hoping that I like this mascara. I'm not sure if I will. This one.
I think this should be good.
Yeah, it's intense black, so I don't know how I feel about that. Hi there. So I am back home. Outside was given summer vibe, even though it was spring. Yesterday was winter, so I don't even trust this Canadian weather. Anyways, let's just do a quick grocery haul because my fridge is empty and we need to restock. I'm not even sure where to start, but let's do the cold stuff. Let's just do this thing quickly. Got these eggs. There are 30 in the pack. We eat a lot of eggs. We love our breakfast, especially on the weekend. I purchased a new Brita filter. I had one before and I asked the girl if I could, what's the return policy on it. And don't mind all of that going on in the background. The kitchen is a little messy. Don't judge me. Or if you do, it's all good. So I got a new Brita filter. The other one that I got, I'll bring it back and get a full refund because she said that is possible. I picked up some fishies. My little one loves these for just a quick snack. I got some apples, a bag of apples. I got a bag of potatoes, the yellow one. I like the yellow one. I feel like it has a little bit more flavor to it. I got a pineapple. Love those. I think they're healthy at this point. I don't even know what's healthy anymore because one minute this is healthy, the next it is not. I got some clementine because these are really, really good to throw in the lunch bag and they're a nice little snack. Quick and easy. And I got 3, what do you call this, bunch? I got 3 bunch of bananas. My oldest son likes to make smoothies. We like to eat bananas with our cereal. We are bananas for bananas over here. I got a bag of pear, some lemon. I actually bought these lemons because I wanted to make my own strawberry jam. But when I got to the strawberry jam, which I ended up purchasing, the strawberry jam itself was $11.99. And these were $13.99, and I'm like, I'll just buy it for $11.99, save on my time, and not do a DIY of making the strawberries. Even though this one is fairly healthy, the ingredients is not too much, super simple, straightforward. So pretty much the same thing that I would have done, just the strawberries mashed with some lemon juice and kind of, I guess, saute them. It just has pectin inside of it. That's the only ingredient that I wouldn't have add, but I guess that is a preservative, so it's GMO free. So yeah, that's a lot of we sewing over here. I picked up 2 of the salt-free butter. I heard that these were better than the salted one. I like the salted one because it lasts a little bit longer, but I think TikTok said you get more for you get a bang for your buck if you buy the salt-less butter. I purchased 3. These came in a case of 3. The classic Alfredo sauce. These are quick for, like, you know, an easy meal idea. And then I got this one, which is kind of nice. So, and then you could mix these 2 and get like a really chef's kiss good sauce combo if you want to. I got some cane sugar. We like the cane sugar over here. Then I got some, let me kind of scoot this up. I got some yogurt, the Oiko yogurt. I got 2 of them just because we are trying to be healthy over here and look for more healthier snack ideas. So I didn't go with chips and I didn't go with any of that, but I did want to get some baby carrots, which I forgot to pick up, but no biggie. I got 2 of these, the tortilla wraps, because my kids like to make these for their lunch. So I got 2 bags of these. Then I got some oat milk. I really love this oat milk, especially with my coffee or my tea. It's just like a nice creamy taste and I like it. I picked this Caesar dressing up for whenever we're making like sandwiches, stuff like that. Mostly for the baby carrots that I forgot to buy. I got a cantaloupe because it was like $5.99 or $4.99, so why not? I got a chicken. You're gonna see, I'm gonna do a little bit of a meal prep. I got these for the yogurt bowls that we are going to make. Show you the English side. It's the Harvest Crunch. Really like these. These are so nice for adding to your yogurt bowl, which is the plan. I got some rice because we are running low on rice, so I got this big bag of rice. Then I got some flowers, of course, because I wanted to treat myself, and my vase has not my vase has not had any fresh flowers in it for the longest time. So I got the mixed berries, and then I got the dragon fruit because I saw a recipe on TikTok and I want to use these to make my yogurt bowl that I've been talking about for the last minute or so. I picked up a case of water. I already have 1, so now I have 2. Each case has 40, so now I have 80 put together. Okay, these were from the dollar store. You guys saw in the video we picked them up when we went to the dollar store. Maybe you saw it, maybe you didn't, but I picked up these 2 just super simple flower pot. I have a balcony, not a backyard, so I'm just gonna keep a minimalistic kind of garden because I love gardening. It's something that I like to do. Let's just kind of tarry around so I could show you what is at the back, which is pretty much the stuff that I got from the dollar store. And this, I got the Italiano kind of herb dressing. Really like this. Super simple. You could add it to like your pizza after you've baked it. So much stuff you could do with it. Love it. I picked this up from the dollar store, $5. I want to organize underneath my kitchen cupboard. It is a hot mess. I'll do a video, show you guys how that turns out. So hopefully this is good enough, because I was going to get something from TikTok, but I'm like, $5, and not the TikTok, but from Temu, I believe. I got some soil. This is not the greatest soil, but we'll work with it for my planter pots over here. I got this. My daughter picked this one up, which is kind of nice. There are 3 in the case, and you could make, like, you know, your little yogurt cups with it, or your yogurt parfait. I got these little mini ice trays because I think they're cute, and it has a lid to it, and it's like really nice and small to just kind of put in the corner of the freezer, because the freezer is a bottom freezer, like that kind, and there's not a lot of space. So yeah, I picked up 2 of them, which there are 2 in the set, so that's 4 in total. These were the containers that I originally went to the dollar store to pick up, and I got them, one for the melon, one for the salad, the lettuce that I didn't get. I forgot to get the lettuce, guys, but I got the container, so for the next time I will have it. So, but I do have a little bit of lettuce in the refrigerator, so I should be okay. But I bought both of them, one for the watermelon, one for the lettuce, which I forgot to purchase. It's all good. The watermelon is so big, I probably end up using both of them. I got these little spoolies, which I had a whole bunch of spoolies, y'all, and I gave them away. I'm so silly. But I got those to comb my eyebrows. I needed some bulb for my washroom, so I picked up 2. I already bought 1 because I wanted to make sure they were the white light bulb. Mind you, it says so on there, but I'm so silly, I didn't realize it. The first time I purchased a whole bunch of them, they were like the soft yellow ones. So I picked up some claw clips for my daughter because she wants them for when she washes her hair. And yeah, that's about it for my grocery haul. Not too sure what the total is totaling out to, but I'm pretty sure going outside just cost me about $400 to $500. I don't like going outside, y'all. Every time I go outside, I feel like I'm going to hurt my bank account, but I have to go out there and I need to get these things. But I think I spent a total of $500 on the groceries and the little beauty items that I picked up. So now I'm going to just like clean out the refrigerator, pack these stuff away, and get dinner going. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my grocery haul and coming shopping with me at Costco. And Costco was busy, was it not? I hate that Costco, but girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Bye.